guys, so this pak choy has been growing in the jar for 2 weeks now. I think it looks quite healthy and it has got a lot of roots. Check out these roots. So I think today we can plant it in a little pot.
We are now going to give our pak choy some water, so the soil has all sorts of good stuff a plant needs. The roots act like an anchor in the soil. They suck up water and nutrients and bring them up to the stem. The leaves then make food in a process called photosynthesis.
So this is the end of this series, which I hope to show you how you can grow something from your kitchen. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.